Without those tiny black dots, your car's windshield could literally pop straight out of the frame while you are driving down the highway. Welcome to Behind the Objects. Today we are uncovering the real science hiding behind those mysterious dots on your car windows. Before the 1960s and 70s, car windshields were held in place using large, bulky rubber gaskets, basically wedging the glass tightly into the metal frame. It worked, but it rattled. It leaked in the rain, and it created terrible aerodynamic drag. So automakers made a bold decision: ditch the rubber completely and bond the glass directly onto the car body using an incredibly powerful urethane adhesive. Brilliant idea. But almost immediately, engineers hit one massive problem: the sun. That adhesive is extraordinarily strong under normal conditions, but it has one critical weakness: ultraviolet light. Direct UV exposure breaks it down over time, rotting the bond until the glass loses its grip entirely. Automakers needed a permanent way to shield that glue from sunlight. The answer was the Frit. That solid black band around the outer edge of your windshield is not a sticker. It is a special ceramic paint fired directly into the glass surface at extreme temperatures during manufacturing. It is virtually indestructible. It permanently blocks UV rays from reaching the adhesive underneath, gives the glue a rough surface to physically grip onto, and neatly hides the raw adhesive from your view inside the car. But that explains the solid black strip. It still does not explain the dots. For that we need thermodynamics. Dark surfaces absorb heat dramatically faster than transparent ones. During manufacturing, car windows are placed inside massive industrial ovens, where the glass is heated until soft enough to bend into that perfect aerodynamic curve. A hard, sharp boundary between the black Frit and the clear glass would cause the glass to warp, creating visual distortion called lensing, or in worse cases, shatter from unequal thermal stress. The dots fix this through a technique called a halftone pattern. By gradually stepping the dots down from large near the black edge to tiny near the clear center, engineers create a smooth thermal gradient. The temperature transitions evenly across the entire sheet. No warping, no cracking, perfect shape every time. And there is one final detail worth knowing. See that cluster of dots sitting right behind your rearview mirror? That is called the third visor Frit, placed there deliberately to block the narrow strip of sunlight that falls exactly where your driver and passenger sun visors cannot reach. Those dots are quietly protecting your eyes on every single drive. So the next time you sit in a car and stare at those tiny dots along the glass, you will know exactly what you are looking at. UV protection, thermal engineering, and a structural safety system, all hiding in something most people never think about twice. That is behind the objects. If this got you curious, hit that like button, share it with someone who loves knowing how things work, and subscribe so you never miss the next one. See you there.